experiment. For this experiment, we need water, a plastic bag, and some pencils. And we have to put water in the plastic bag. And I've already put water in the plastic bag, and just for fun, we're going to add food coloring. I have to lock the bag properly so it doesn't leak. Shaking. It's like seawater. And now I'm going to poke it through the bag. The pencil, I'm going to poke the pencil through the bag. Whoa, it's not leaking. Now I'm going to put one more. It's not leaking again.
Why is it not leaking?
Because the bag is flexible, and then the pencil, we poke it, then it seals around the pencil. Now I'm going to put it from up to down.
In angle, yeah?
Yeah, I want to put an angle.
Whoa.
I made it so down. Now I'm going to. Now I want to try with the not very pointy one.
It's blunt.
Yeah, it's the blunt one.
Let's see what happens.
Yeah. It's very tricky to put it. I have to push it, and then it's very tricky.
Let's still see.
It's very tricky. So now I'm going to get the pencil out, and you'll see what will happen. It's leaking.